Your Land Rover can make its own bonnet turn invisible, show you the exact depth of the water ahead, and lock your keys safely inside while you go for a swim. Most owners never find any of it because the dealer handed over the keys and waved you off. These are 10 secret Land Rover functions that only about 1% of drivers ever discover, and everyone is already built into your car. Let us start the countdown. Number 10. Open and air out the whole car from your key fob. On a baking summer day, you walk up to a Land Rover that has been sitting in the sun, and most owners simply open the door and climb into an oven. There's a far better way, and it lives in the key fob already in your pocket. Press and hold the unlock button for about 3 seconds, and every window lowers and the panoramic sunroof slides open, venting all that trapped hot air before you ever touch the handle. Hold the lock button instead, and the reverse happens. Every window and the sunroof close and seal, which is perfect for the moment you remember you left a window down just as the rain starts. Land Rover has quietly built this in for over a decade, and it even works from across a car park, yet almost nobody uses it. 2 things worth knowing. In some markets, the closing direction is limited for safety, and you can switch the whole feature on or off in the touchscreen under the vehicle or convenience settings if you are ever worried about it triggering in a tight pocket. Using it regularly draws a little more from the fob battery, so you might change that small coin cell every 18 months rather than every 2 years. A tiny price for stepping into a car that is already cool. It costs nothing, it takes 3 seconds, and it changes how every hot day feels. And if the fob can do that from outside, wait until you see what the mirror inside is hiding. Number 9. Turn your rearview mirror into a high-definition camera. Every Land Rover owner glances at the rearview mirror 100 times a drive, and on most modern models, that mirror is hiding a second identity. Look for the small tab on the underside of the mirror and flick it. Instead of a reflection, the glass becomes a high-definition video screen fed by a camera mounted high at the back of the roof, giving you a wide 50-degree field of view. The benefit is immediate. Tall passengers, a boot loaded to the roof, child seats, a dog guard, none of it matters anymore, because the camera sees straight past all of it with a clear, undistorted image. Unlike a normal reversing camera with its fisheye lens, this view keeps proper proportions, so judging distance is natural, and the rear camera has a hydrophobic coating and a small protective lip to keep rain and mud off the lens, plus adjustable brightness for night driving. If conditions ever confuse it, or you simply prefer glass, you flick the tab straight back and it is an ordinary mirror again. On many models, the buttons beside it are programmable home-link controls that can open your garage door or gate. Another small thing the handover never covered. It is the kind of feature people pay extra for and then completely forget they have, and once you have lived with it on a fully loaded family trip, you will never want to drive without it. From seeing clearly behind you, let us deal with the air you are actually breathing inside the car. Number 8. Clean and freshen the cabin air before you even get in. Land Rover quietly fits one of the most sophisticated air systems in any vehicle, and a great many owners never press the button that switches it on. On the Pivi Pro touchscreen, there is an air quality page with a purify function, and behind it sit 3 technologies working together. A filter that traps fine particulate matter right down to the dangerous 2.5 micron size. A system that watches carbon dioxide levels and feeds in fresh air to stop you getting drowsy on a long drive. And a nano ionizer that uses electrically charged water particles to neutralize allergens, bacteria, and stubborn odors. The screen even displays the real-time air quality both inside and outside the car, so you can see it working. Here's the part almost nobody discovers. Using the Land Rover remote app on your phone, or a time departure you set on the screen before you walk away, the car can purge and purify the entire cabin before you get in, without the engine even running, so you open the door to fresh, clean air. For anyone with allergies, young children, a long commute, or heavy city traffic, it quietly changes how the car feels to sit in every single day. And speaking of walking away from the car, this last idea works even when you leave your keys behind entirely. Number 7. Lock your keys inside and swim away with the activity key. This is the one that sounds impossible until you have actually done it. The activity key is a rugged wristband, waterproof to roughly 60 feet and fully shockproof, that locks and unlocks the car with no fob in your pocket at all. The whole point is freedom. You are going surfing, swimming, paddleboarding, mountain biking, or trail running, and the last thing you want is a large electronic key. So you leave the smart key inside the car, step out, close all the doors, and within 30 seconds hold the wristband against the marked spot on the tailgate, hidden behind the letter R of the Range Rover badge. The car locks, the alarm arms, and crucially the smart key sealed inside is electronically disabled, so even if someone broke in, they could not drive away. When you come back soaked and sandy, you touch the band to the same spot and you are straight back in, with the interior key waking up again. No pocket, no lanyard, no sick feeling about dropping a key worth several $100s into the sea. It is a brilliantly Land Rover answer to an adventurous life, and most owners never even tick the box to order it. From leaving your keys behind, we move to a function that hands one of driving's hardest skills to anyone. Number 6. Reverse a trailer perfectly with advanced tow assist. Reversing a trailer is the skill that humbles even experienced drivers, because the trailer turns the opposite way to the wheel and one small mistake folds it into a jackknife. Land Rover's advanced tow assist quietly removes the hardest part of the job. With a trailer hitched and the feature selected on the touchscreen, you stop wrestling the steering wheel altogether and instead simply turn the small rotary controller in the direction you actually want the trailer to go. The car calculates exactly how much steering lock that requires and applies it for you, while clear guidelines on the screen show your predicted path and the trailer's predicted path moving in real time. You point the trailer with a fingertip and the Land Rover handles all the counter steering that ties everyone else in knots at the boat ramp. Whether you are backing a boat down a slipway, lining up a horse box, or threading a caravan onto a tight pitch, it turns a stressful, red-faced, multi-attempt ordeal into a calm and almost casual maneuver. And paired with the hitch guidance and rear camera, it makes the whole idea of towing far less intimidating. If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. From controlling the trailer behind you, the focus shifts to reshaping the car beneath you. Number 5. Raise and lower the whole car on demand with the air suspension. Most owners assume the air suspension just quietly does its own thing, but you have far more direct control over it than you realize, and it is genuinely useful every day. Through the touchscreen or the physical switches where they are fitted, you can drop the car into its lowest access height to make climbing in, loading the boot, or fitting a roof box dramatically easier, which your knees, your older passengers, and the family dog will all thank you for. Heading off-road or facing a flooded dip, you can raise it instead for extra ground clearance and deeper weighting before you ever reach the obstacle. The hidden trick almost nobody knows is that on many models you can even adjust the ride height from outside the car using the key fob, a feature originally designed so you could line the tow hitch up to a trailer to within a fraction of an inch while standing right beside it. Most drivers leave every bit of this on automatic and never touch it once. Learn the controls and the car physically reshapes itself around whatever you happen to be doing, from a supermarket run to a river crossing. And once the car is raised and ready for rough ground, it can actually drive itself across that ground for you. Number 4. Let the car crawl across rough terrain by itself with all-terrain progress control. Think of this as cruise control, built for off-road, and it is one of the cleverest things Land Rover has ever made. Switch it on from the vehicle menu on the lower touchscreen, then set a target speed anywhere from roughly 2 to 19 miles an hour using the cruise control buttons on the steering wheel. From that point, the car manages the throttle and brakes the individual wheels to hold that exact crawl speed, whether you are easing up a slippery grass bank, picking your way across rocks, or descending a muddy slope, and it works just as happily on snow, ice, or a loose dirt road. You take your feet off both pedals entirely and concentrate on the one thing a human still does best: steering and reading the ground ahead. It limits wheel spin, keeps your progress smooth and deliberate, and removes the panic of trying to feather the throttle perfectly on a surface with almost no grip. First-time off-roaders suddenly look like seasoned veterans with it switched on, and genuine veterans use it to stay precise when the terrain turns truly difficult. But the system that decides how to tackle that terrain in the first place is cleverer still. Number 3. Let terrain response choose the right mode entirely by itself. Land Rover's terrain response system is famous, but most owners only ever twist the dial between 1 or 2 named modes and completely miss the genius setting. On Terrain Response 2, there is an auto mode, and in auto, the car continuously reads the surface beneath it and selects the optimal configuration on its own, adjusting well over 100 separate parameters across the engine, gearbox, differentials, and suspension in real time as the ground changes under the wheels. Drive from smooth tarmac onto wet grass, then into mud and deep ruts, and the car quietly reconfigures itself for each surface without you lifting a finger, and you can still override it and lock in a specific mode whenever you want full manual control. This is the system Land Rover tested in 20 countries, in temperatures from 40 degrees below zero to well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit on nearly every surface on Earth. And it is doing all of that silently in the background while you simply steer and enjoy the drive. Leaving it in auto means you always have exactly the right setup, even in the moments you would never have known which mode to choose yourself. and it switches between them faster and more smoothly than any driver could manage by hand. Now for the two features that make a Land Rover feel like absolutely nothing else on the road, and they both come down to seeing the unseen, starting with water. Number 2. See exactly how deep the water is with wade sensing. A Land Rover will drive through water that would drown an ordinary car, with the biggest models wading up to around 35 inches deep, almost 3 feet. But the real danger has always been judging that depth before you commit the car to it. Wade sensing solves the problem completely. Using sensors built into the door mirrors, the car measures the water around it and shows you, right there on the touchscreen, the current depth alongside exactly how much deeper you can safely go before you reach the vehicle's limit. As the water creeps up toward that limit, an audible tone rises in pitch to warn you, so your eyes can stay locked on the crossing instead of darting to the screen. Instead of guessing, hoping, and praying, you get a live, moving readout of one of the most intimidating things you can ever ask a vehicle to do. It turns a genuine gamble that has ruined countless engines into a calm, calculated, confident crossing, and it is pure Land Rover. Technology built specifically for the wild places these cars were always meant to go. The system is even clever enough to be particularly useful at night, when judging water by eye is almost impossible. And the feature sitting at number 1 takes that same idea, letting you see what should be impossible to see, to a level that still feels like outright magic. Number 1. Make the bonnet turn invisible with ClearSight Ground View. This is the one that makes people actually gasp the first time they see it work, and it is a genuine world first from Land Rover. When you are crawling over rocks, edging up to a high city curb, or nosing into a tight parking space, the single biggest blind spot is the ground directly in front of and underneath the nose of the car, completely hidden by the bonnet of a tall SUV. ClearSight Ground View simply erases that blind spot. Cameras in the front grille and in the door mirrors stitch their feeds together and project them onto the central touchscreen, creating a clear, virtual 180-degree image of the ground beneath the front of the car, exactly as though the bonnet had turned to glass. At speeds up to around 18 miles an hour, you can watch your front wheels place themselves precisely on a rock ledge, thread between ruts and obstacles on a trail, or slide up to a curb without scuffing a single expensive alloy wheel. Off-road, it is the difference between confidence and a very costly mistake, and in a city car park, it quietly saves your tires, your wheels, and your nerves. Computer software even delays and blends the camera feeds so the image lines up seamlessly, and graphical lines mark exactly where your wheels and the corners of the car sit. A see-through bonnet sounds like pure science fiction, and yet it is sitting in your Land Rover right now, waiting for you on the touchscreen. Now you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.